First thing you're going to see me do is part out how I want my hair to be for my 4 feed-in braids. So as you can tell, I'm parting it out now, and I have a foundation of a straight part, but now I just have to go back in and finish parting it out. It takes me a while to get my parting together, as you can see, because I'm still parting. So it takes me about like 5 minutes to part each braid, but it's okay because I'm still learning and I'm trying to get better at my parting. So, you know, you got to take your time. Right now I'm just putting the half of my hair in a ponytail to keep my hair out the way, so when I start braiding I'm gonna be grabbing extra hair within that braid. So now you see me adding the hair gel all over my hair, and now you see me combing my hair in place, molding it in place. I'm parting my hair, and now you finna see me starting to braid. When I start braiding, I like to start braiding with my natural hair, and as I go along with braiding, then I start adding extra pieces of hair. So as you see me adding in extra pieces right now. So when I get a little bit closer to the back, I will be continuing to add bigger pieces. As I get to the end of the braids, I like to start adding the curly pieces. So I just braid my hair regular, and then I just grab pieces of the curly hair to have it sticking out, so it could give that, you know, that curly Bohemian bun effect. So I just put a few pieces on my hair, and then once I'm done with that, I'm going to braid it all the way to the end to where I see fit. If you like this video, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe for more content like this. Thank you for watching.